Hello guys, welcome to my next video. So in this video I'm going to tell about how to download Java, that is the JDK file in order to access Java files. So go to Google Chrome and search for how to download Java. How to download Java. So Java is basically from Oracle, so you can directly go to www.oracle.com or else you can prefer guru99.com, which is a very good website. So I'm clicking on this website and then they gave the link to redirect to Oracle website. So then click on JDK download and then scroll down. You can see list of kits JDKs. So for Linux, Mac OS and Windows, as I am using Windows 64-bit, so I am preferring this JDK 15.0.1 for Windows 64-bit, and click on that file, accept, and then click on download. It's about 160 MB, which is quite normal. So guys, once the video is downloaded, you can just click on show in folder. It will show up the location where you can double click on that file, click on yes. So I'm just reinstalling it. Okay, giving next, and you can change the location as well. So here I'm browsing the file, giving the location. So I'm just giving my folder name. Okay, so here I'm giving next. It's copying all the files since I have already installed the Java, and I'm just closing it. Okay, now in my location I'm having this Java JDK 50.0.1 and bin. You need to copy this path. Okay, in order to give access, setting the path, copy it, and I am just opening my Google my command prompt. So once the command prompt gets open, you can check for the version of Java which you have downloaded. So it's showing up 15.0.1, as we have downloaded that version over here. Okay, 15.0.1, and here I am going to give the path. Just right click on command prompt, it will get pasted. So the path has been set up, and then you need to compile the files. Okay, before that you can check for all the library files by just giving javac. It will just show up everything. This means that you have just installed Java. Okay, so I'm gonna open Notepad. In the Notepad, in order to check whether the Java program is running or not, I'm just giving a import java.io dot start and creating a class called example1 and giving public static void main string aux. Okay, just giving int a and initializing the value a equal to 10. In order to print we need to use system.out.println. So I am just printing out the value and then closing. So everything is perfect. You need to save it. I'm just gonna save it as example1 dot java. Okay, now let's check whether it's running or not. Java space file name dot java, which is example1 dot java. It's not showing any errors. Java space example1, so it's just printing the output 10. Okay, which we have used. Once you have compiled by using java space file name dot java, a class file will be created for that. Okay, so if you open this java file, I have given a equal to 10, so it's just printing the value of a, which is nothing but 10 over here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Giving like is free, so please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.